Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing for you some chili garlic sauce chicken. So let's get started. Here's some chicken. I've been marinating the chicken for 24 hours on some salt, pepper, and pepper flakes. So what I'm going to do is take it out of the bag and marinate it with the chili garlic sauce. And I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for 65 minutes. I'm going to pour the sauce over the chicken. I noticed there's a little water in the bag, so let me just get that. Drain the water off. So now I'm pouring the sauce over the chicken. I'm just going to mix it in this bag. Oh, that sauce smells so good. This is a keto dish, but anybody that's watching their carbs can use this recipe. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add just a little stevia to it because I don't like it sweet, but it takes some of the heat off. Spicy chicken because I marinated in pepper flakes. So I'm going to just add a little stevia to it. And here we go. Just that much. And I'm going to mix it again. Massaging the meat. And then you're going to pour it on the bacon sheet, which I have one right here. And you're going to pour all of the chicken on it. This is an easy dish. So the only thing you have to do is when you purchase your chicken, just put some salt and pepper on it and let it stay in the refrigerator for 24 hours. You will notice a big difference in the taste of your food. I always like to marinate my meats, except for some of my meats, like steaks and stuff like that. I don't marinate those. I just usually cook them whenever, we're ready for dinner. Okay. This is the chili garlic sauce, and there is no carbs in it. I just took the chili garlic sauce chicken out of the oven, and it smelled divine. It is just awesome. So let me take a bite of it, and that way I can let you see how it tastes. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Let me take a bite. Ooh, it's hot. It is really hot. Mmm. 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 It is so good. Very tender. Mmm. So good. It is spicy.